Hi everyone. So this is one of my most requested videos, and it's one that I've been wanting to make for a while now, and it's about the tools, my favorite tools that I use for customization, for doll customization. So I have an FBL mold in here, Blythe doll, that I'm working at the moment, and her base doll is simply vanilla. And so without further ado, let's go through all these tools. I will link everything on the description box below, and if you guys have any questions, just drop me a comment, just ask me a question and I will be happy to clarify. So basically, I've used lots of tools, and I found that these two from the wood carving tools are my favorite. I've got it from Hello Cool Cat. It's linked on the description box, and I usually use this one, I don't know, this one, like this, to make the shape of the mouth, to give a shape to the mouth. And I use it in the middle of the process as well to smooth here and there. In here as well, this part to create the shape of the nose. This one, I use it mostly for opening the mouth a little bit, or just to give a little bit of the shape in here on the bottom lip. Also, I carved the nostril, not the nostril, sorry, the philtrum, to give, before I carve the philtrum, I remove a little bit of the plastic with this tool to give this shape. See, like this. Now let me see if I can focus it, to give this shape in here. Now, so yeah, wood carving tools, these are my favorite. I tried a lot, but these were the most had most quality for me. So these two are a perfect buy. Scalpels, these are two of my favorites. I also have this one, but I don't like the handle in plastic. I can't work with this, so these two are perfect for me. It's perfect to smooth the plastic, especially here, here. Here, also here. I always find very relaxing the sound of the plastic. Yeah, also to smooth the interior of the lip, the inner lip. See? Yeah, and this one, from both of these, this one is my favorite. This one I just use it for details, especially when I open the mouth, to smooth the top lip inside. This one is really good. Yeah, so they are the 15T and 15C blades. And yeah, you have to be very careful when using these, because they are very sharpy and you can harm yourself, so be careful. Okay, other tool is my Tamiya. design knife. Yeah, I think I've got it from Amazon or eBay, and it's been with me since the beginning. I really love this tool, and it's also great for shape the borders of the lip. So also in here, so I use different tools for the same parts of the face plate. So yeah, the Tamiya design knife, it's really good. Also this one that I found recently from a website, Volk's website, and it's very small. It's really good for details. It's really good for details. I also do the details of the mouth with this one before sanding, and also to carve a little bit of, take the excess of plastic inside the nostrils and here in the philtrum as well, to smooth the philtrum. It's really good. Yeah. Got it from Volk website that I will also link down below. This one was also from Volk's. I still need to find a handle for it, and it's shaped. It has, see, I don't know if you can, yeah, it's shaped, and it's also good for the details. These diamond files, I love it too. Sand it in here, the nose, and between the lips, here as well. It's really good. And also these ones that I got from eBay. They are supposed to be for jewelry, but also works for the custom. And I like for the nose, especially this part. With these files, it's so easy to smooth. And this one, I like to use it for inside the lips. So, and also in here. The tools, I recommend getting high quality tools because it's very important when you are customizing, and they will do a pretty good job. If you have a tool that it's not sturdy or it's not pretty, how can I say, if it's not, yeah, you can use it also to shape this part. This one for the nostrils also. It's very good to smooth it. You have to do a little bit pressure. And yeah, it will. You have to find high quality tools because they need to be very precise. You need a good hand also, but you also need good tools because the tools will do mostly of the job. And if you don't have a tool with good precision, it will be shaking or trembling, and you can find yourself making some mistakes that, and believe me, it wasn't your fault, it was because of the tools. It's not your hands, it's not your brain, it was because of the tools, okay? So yeah, it's really important to have good tools. Also, my micro Dremel. This tool is really good because it's lightweight, it's cordless, and you can use it like a pen, and it has different velocities. I think that's the word. It's not velocity, but well, you will understand anyways. And I've bought this spare tool because it can fit lots of other bits that it's not from Dremel. So you just attach in here, pressing this button, and the micro Dremel is really good. I found myself at the beginning working with a rotary tool that wasn't very precise and it didn't work as expected. So yeah, if you're going to invest, I recommend the micro Dremel. It's really good. It's been with me for 3 years now. I have always the same. I've changed some of the bits, but that's it. It works perfectly, and yeah, definitely recommend the micro Dremel. I use mostly of the round ones. I have these and this one. There's a small one that, yes, this one. These are really good. So I'm putting here together some of my favorite ones. These I use it mostly for the carving process, for the nostrils, for the philtrum, to shape a little bit here on the mouth, especially the top lip, and to remove the plastic here from the nose, and also to shape the chin in here. Sometimes I carve a little bit inside the eye sockets, and I also use the Dremel, probably this bit. So yeah, these are my favorite tools. I've tried lots of them, believe me. I spent lots of money in tools, especially at the beginning, but I found myself the ones that it really works for me. Probably it won't work for you because we are all different, but at least it helps when you choose, if you're going to buy, when you choose the tools that you can start with. So this is basically a starter kit that I put together, and it's the one that it's been with me since I found my style and my way of doing it. So I hope it helps. I hope that you found it helpful for you, and if you have any questions, just leave me a comment, and I hope that you enjoyed. So please, if you liked the video, give me your thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for videos every week. Okay guys, have a lovely day, and bye bye.